What makes Grunau different in our market is that we offer many services that competitors do not. So we do mechanical piping and HVAC, we do plumbing, underground fire protection, we have electrical on staff, we're design builds, we have PEs, engineers, BIM CAD coordinators, and then we have robust 24/7 emergency on-call staff and technical advisors that solve our problems in the field. Grunau exists to service two customers, and the first one is our owner direct customers. We have employees at organizations campus doing service work, maintenance, preventative maintenance, and at these larger facilities we have the capability to help them with capital budgeting and planning for longer term maintenance and repairs, TIs, remodels, expansions, capital improvements, and the new construction that they may do. On the other side, we have a separate customer with general contractors. We're a one-stop shop as well, so we provide services all the way from helping estimate and creating budgets for our general contractors. We also do the BIM CAD coordination. We can design the system in-house. We're investing in our prefabrication with carting, skids, bundling, and providing assembly more in our shop in a controlled environment. It's more productive, less cost. And then of course we install all of our products in the field. We don't subcontract much labor at all. It's all self-performed and controlled by our field leaders. And then we do the commissioning and startup for most of our services on the general contractor side. We really appreciate when we have an opportunity to install that for an owner and take care of it for them. So if we've installed it, we know the red line, the drawings, how the building actually was built, and it puts us in a very great position to care for that facility for the owner and help lower their operating cost by maintaining that system.